Do you want to translate Instagram messages? You can translate Insta Direct Message chat conversations with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To translate Instagram chat messages. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you are on Instagram, go to your Insta Direct Messages section by tapping on the message icon at the top right of the screen. Now, scroll down and open the chat that contains the message you want to translate. Now, you are on the chat conversation screen. Scroll down and find the message that you want to translate into English. Once found, long press on the chat message until a pop-up menu appears. Now, from the pop-up menu, select Show Translation. Instagram now displays any message in another language translated into English below the original message.